Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. Inside this video I'm going to explain to you guys how you can trade with this powerful strategy, and this strategy is a combination of two windows, which is our total stick oscillator and our relative strength index. So guys, I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy at the end of this video, and let me first explain how this strategy works. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy like this. And guys, you can also help us to share and likes more on our videos. And also guys, so let me explain to you how you can use this powerful strategy to trade your boom and crash index. This strategy works on all boom and all crash, and also you can use your second zoom level. So I'm using my second zoom level now, and you also can use your second zoom level. So we have the first indicator window, which is this one that we have at the top here, and we have so many combination of MACD inside, and you can see that we have the period of 90-80. We have another period of 20-80, which is taking up a trend on a uptrend when it move on a 20 level. And we have our second indicator window, which is our MACD and our relative strength index, and we have our level here, which is 20 and 15, and we have our 85 and 80 level. You can see that. So guys, let me explain how you can combine these two indicators together and trade successfully. Now, your first confirmation must be on your window 1. That is your first confirmation. Then after your first confirmation, then you go to your second indicator window to confirm your second indicator window. So once you confirm the first and the second, then this is the right time for you to enter your trade. Now, where do you want to confirm your trade? As you can see in our indicator window 1, we have our level of 8, 20 and 10. Anytime you have your moving average moving in between the 10, 20 and the 10 level, then this is the right time for you to watch, to wait and see the confirmation of the second indicator window. You can see this, it's moved in between the 20 and the 10 level here, and you need to wait until it cross each other. When the red is moving on the below the blue line, you see like what is happening here, then this is exactly the right time for you to watch, to wait and see the second confirmation from this window 2. So when your red line is moving below the blue line, you see what happened here on that same level, which is 20 and 10 level. Then you go to your indicator window, and you also check what is happening in that window. What you need to confirm is when you have your histogram here that is moving in between the 20 and the 15 level, and you can see that your red line is moving above the histogram. You see something like this. You see the histogram is not up to the red line again. So when it move inside the red line, then this is the right time for you to enter your trade. So once you have your crossing over in your indicator window 1, and you have your red moving inside, your histogram is moving inside the red line, then this is the right time for you to enter your trade. And if you can see that, this will be your confirmation state, and if you enter your trade around this particular area, you can see that you are already making a lot of profits. And this is 5-minute time frames on crash 1000, and if you can take just few candlestick, maybe 6 to 7 candlestick, then you are out of the market. That's exactly how it works. So you can see another confirmation here now. You can see another confirmation here. We have our crossing over in between the 90 and the 80 level here, and that is the first confirmation that you must did. And once you can confirm that on your indicator window 1, that they have crossed each other, you see the red is moving above above the blue line here, which is indicate that there is a spike entry in the market. And you come to your indicator window 2 and you confirm that same step that you first confirm, which means it's going to be in between the 95 and 90 level. You see, it's crossed